清正50自火时阵，香槟是真侪人会啉的凉的。有的酒庄会用有机的葡萄来焗酒，啉落会搁较顺。不过，即马物价直直起，成本增加，业者想要起价，搁烦恼消费者怎安尼卖买？
根据起泡酒甲葡萄酒的特色，只有伫法国北部香槟区生产的这类型酒，才会当互标示做香槟。制作过程爱遵照严格手续，这几年为着营养气候变迁，真侪酒庄改种有机葡萄，若是香槟品质甲口感得到改善，也减少人体负担。
For example, we had frost in July, a heat wave in May, or a flood during summer. We have to answer to this issue with a global approach, and that's why we are converting to organic farming next year. And we have to respect more and more biodiversity in nature.
也毋过受到全球经济环境的影响，提悬品质不一定会当吸引更较侪国内人客，业者不得已改变销售策略。
In 2018, when we took over the family domain, we had a perfect balance between French market and B2B and direct selling and the export. And this year, it has changed. Now, I think, yes, it's 2/3 of export overseas, especially in Japan and in Canada. For
目前法国香槟有2/3出口国外，业者烦恼，即马香槟容器甲包装成本随着通膨增加，恐惊必须酒厂调起香槟的介绍，进一步互消费者买袂落去。公司新闻人员编译。